See you in the job site. I'll holla.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars.
Alright guys, made it Fredericksburg, Texas. This way. Backing up. Yo, so this job over here, big as hell. We thinking about that long time now! Doing big here in Texas, bro. Hey, look at how wild that son bitch is, bro. You still got back there. It's not even half. Look, dog, yeah, my homeboy over here. Yeah. Yeah, can I rep this on? Oh yeah, dang on TV. And this is the 4th time where I gotta reschedule my appointment. I'm getting tired of that crap. Look, give me my damn 85-inch screen TV now, boo-boo, okay? We need to hurry the hell up with that. A little bit left over. Not too bad, not too bad. It's about that time. Finally. Excuse me. If you haven't been to Fredericksburg, Texas, one of the most beautiful cities. Some of the houses with their 5-acre homes, man, they're absolutely easy money. Boom! Microseconds, y'all. Have mercy. Bye, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all. Around the field today. That's the first time ever happened to me. Thank y'all so much. Until tomorrow. Holla.
To whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so put your word in it. I get it, the odds seem stacked back.